Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Ports, where we tell you regarding the shipping information and day-to-day maritime business. The today's news is regarding one of the chemical tanker explosion in the Yangtze River. Yes friend, the chemical tanker was sailing through a Yangtze River. An explosion damaged the 2018 built chemical tanker feng 6 on Wednesday and injured two crew members. The incident occurred when the vessel was sailing near Wuhu on the Yangtze River. The crew possibly washing the tank when the explosion happened. Three crew jumped into the water and were later picked up by a rescue team, and another two crew were injured and sent to hospital for emergency treatment, while the other four crew members on board were unharmed. The fire triggered by the explosion was put out, and the authorities have started investigation into the cause of the incident. The vessel is owned by Yangtze Wuhu Shipping. So friend, that's all for this news. If you like this information, do not forget to subscribe for latest shipping accident related videos and maritime business. Thank you and welcome back once again. Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube